Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to talk about how we can communicate on YouTube channel with our community tab, post with our audience, how we can interact with them. So this video is going to be very beneficial and it's going to be very a short video as per regarding our other videos. So right now I'm at the dashboard, so let's get into it. So when you get your community tab, it will show up here right after the latest video performance. You will see this. You just need to click on the go to the post tab. As you can see that I have already made one post. Okay, so I will show you. So as you can see that in the post section, I have already made a post and a view and one of my subscriber already made a content comments. So he's asking me to please make a video on Google Panel. So we'll definitely make a video on it in our upcoming videos. And if you want to make a new post, you can just type here and you can write anything you want. You can also add image. You can add image poll, text poll, quiz video, anything that you want to add. You can just write down here. After that you just need to click on this post section and it will be posted, or you can schedule your community tab post as well. So that's how basically you can use community tab post to interact with your viewers, with your subscriber. And that's all about it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.